Is joining us on the phone right now is Mr. Wonderful himself, Kevin O'Leary. All right, Kevin, you also have some breaking stock news. You own GM, but you just bought shares of Ford. Tell us why.
Yes. Back in July 9th, while on halftime report, I made some, let's call it, disparaging remarks and how frustrated I was with Ford. I had tried to order an F-150. It got delivered missing chips. As far as I was concerned, it was uninsurable because these things have black boxes in them. And I basically called out Jim Farley, the CEO, saying, how about some executional skills here? And he remarkably, and I'm impressed with him, responded immediately by texting me. And today I took delivery of a Ford 150, all chipsets in it. I bought it, no lease. I've been offered 3 people have already come by to offer me more than I paid for it. The demand for these vehicles is insane. And my challenge, to all the Ford executives I've dealt with since July 9th was, you deliver me a truck, make me a believer, and I'll become a shareholder. So I bought some stock, 1/3 position, 1.6% of a mandate that's allowed to go up to 5%.
Yep.
And my thesis is this. The demand is insatiable for this brand. All they have to do is execute. So it's back on Farley. I'll buy more stock if he can start delivering. I mean, basically, he's got to squeeze the supplier. He's got to do whatever he has to do. The product has not had any flies on it. The brand is still intact. My investment thesis is, I want the electric truck. Everybody wants the electric truck. They got a brand. Now, execute. Go figure it out. Make it happen, and you'll get more shareholders.
They say that rich people drive nice cars. Really rich people drive pickup trucks. Stick around. Kevin O'Leary. Phil LeBeau, let's talk about that. Okay, it's not just, I thought when they told me that O'Leary had bought shares of Ford, I thought they were going to say,
right,
is it because the potential monetization of Rivian? Rivian, the electric car company, you know very well. By the way, a car that I think is spectacular looking, the R1S, more the SUV than the truck. I may or may not be interested in one. We'll see. They've got a value proposition there. If Rivian goes public, Ford could suddenly, I guess, print some kind of a nice paper profit off that IPO, could it not?
Sure. Absolutely. And we do expect that Rivian is going to be in demand once those vehicles start to come off the production line, which is likely to happen either later this year, early next year. They're going to start a production downstate Illinois. That's expected to happen sometime in the next few months. And there's a lot of optimism about Rivian. But getting back to what Mr. Wonderful is talking about with Ford, this has long been the key point that Jim Farley has been hitting at. We've got a strong brand. People love the F-150. We need to deliver and we need to execute. So if he can do what he has said they need to do and what Mr. Wonderful is alluding to, yeah, they can go much higher. The question is, will they be able to execute given this environment with the semiconductor shortages, Brian? Because this is not necessarily a Ford issue. It's an industry issue, especially with COVID-19 impacting so much of the chip supply coming out of Asia right now.